Hi, I am Rizwan Ahmad, a senior software engineer specialized in scalable full stack and backend systems. Over the last 5 years, I have built high impact web applications and platform from scratch using MERN stack. In my recent roles, I have also engineered multiple microservices in Python utilizing framework like FastAPI and Flask API. On the architecture and DevOps sides, I have extensive experience managing both monorepo and multi-repo code bases, setting up automated CI/CD pipelines, and deploying scalable containerized application across Google Cloud Platform and AWS EC2. I'm actively looking for my next opportunity as a backend engineer or a full stack engineer, specializing in the MERN or the Python stack. If you are looking for a developer who can drive end-to-end architecture, optimize cloud deployments, and build performant backend system, let's connect. Thank you.